For this sample problem, magsosolve tayo ng isang example on error in tape measurement. Basahin natin yung sample problem natin. A 30-meter tape is 0.015 meter too long. The measured distance between 2 points is 450.000 meters. And we are asked to find the true distance or yung actual talaga na measured na distance, no? So, dito sinulat na natin yung mga given, no? So, the nominal tape length, ito yung of course, ito yung length ng tape, no? Which is, yun yung intended talaga na length ng tape. So, that's 30.00 meters. Pero, dun sa pag-manufacture, merong konting error. So, it's 0.015 meter too long. So, therefore, ito yung actual na tape length natin, 30.015 meters. So, ang nangyayari, kapag medyo mahaba yung tape natin, yung nakukuha natin na actual na measurement is actually mas shorter siya, no? So, kung tape too long, too short naman yung nakukuha natin na measurement. So, kailangan natin nagdagdagan, no? Dagdagan yung nakukuha natin na measurement sa field dun sa error, no? Idadagdag natin yung error dun sa measured na length. Tapos yung measured na length natin is 450.000 meters, pero actually hindi ito yung actual na distance, no? Kasi yun nga, hindi pa siya in-applyan nung error, which is yung error mismo ng tape natin. So, bago tayo pumunta dun sa solution, lagyan muna natin ng mga variables yung mga given na details natin. So, pwede natin ito, lagyan natin ng Tn, that's the nominal na tape length. Tapos ito naman si T actual, that's the actual na tape length. Si measured length naman, that's Lm. Tapos, pwede natin yung required, which is the true distance. Yung true distance, lalagyan natin ng variable na La. That's the actual. So, pwede natin gawin is ratio and proportion. So, parang si nominal na tape length, ang makukuha niya is of course yung measured na length. Tapos, kung gagamitin naman natin si actual na tape length, ang makukuha natin na measurement is of course yung actual na measurement talaga, no? So, given dito is tape length, tapos given din si TA, given naman si LM, ang makukuha natin is yung true distance, LA. So, yun. Simplify lang natin yung solution natin, yung equation. So, we have LA, ito yung hinahanap natin. So, magiging TA times LM divided by TN. So, that's equivalent to 30.015. Pwede na natin hindi isulat yung units kasi naka-meters naman niya lahat. LM is 450.000 divided by yung actual or nominal pala, no? That's 30.000. That's meters yan lahat. So, pwedeng hindi na natin isulat. Anyway, meters din yung magiging answer natin. So, dito tayo sa calculator natin. That's 30.015 times 450 divided by 30. That's 450.225. So, 450.225 meters. Kasi meters, and then meters, then magkakancel yung meters dito. So, isang meter na lang yung matira. And then, ito yung final na answer natin. Another example, another solution pala dito is that kung iisipin natin, ilang 30 meters ba na tape yung pwede natin gamitin para makuha natin yung measurement na 450, no? So, ilang 30 meters, that's ganun, no? Ito yung pagkuha kung ilang 30 meters yung gagamitin para ma-measure yung 450. Tapos, sa bawat 30 meter na pag-measure, meron actually siyang error na 0.05. 0.015 pala, no? Hindi 0.05. So, ito yung magiging error mo all throughout the measurement ng 450 meters. Tapos, since too long yung tape, so, maiksi yung makukuha natin na measurement. So, ito yung idadagdag natin, no? Dun sa measurement natin na 450 meters para makuha natin yung actual na measurement. So, tingnan natin kung pareho lang din yung sagot, no? So, that's 450 times 0.015 divided by 30 plus 450. So, pareho lang din, no? That's 450.225. Yan. So, ito yung parang ibang analysis naman na approach, no? So, kukunin mo ngayon yung error with every measurement mo gamit yung tape, tapos idadagdag mo ngayon dun sa measured na length para makuha mo yung actual na measurement. So, pareho lang yung sagot, no? 450.225, 450.225. So, I think that's it no for this sample problem. And then, yun. Thank you again for watching. And meron tayong mga shorts din na yung mga simple one-liner lang na mga problem sets. Nandito lang sa playlist natin. And yun, see you sa mga next sa mga sample problems natin. Thank you.